बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर ऑल वेल एंड गुड। हमारा जो पार्ट चल रहा है पार्ट 4 है ये ईडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस का, जिसका पार्ट 1, 2 एंड 3 हम कर चुके हैं विद मीनिंग, विद सेंटेंसेस। अच्छा, जो हमारा आज के पार्ट 4 का फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, फर्स्ट ईडियम है, वो है अ लॉट ऑफ, जिसकी इंग्लिश मीनिंग है अ लार्ज नंबर, अमाउंट, बहुत ज़्यादा। आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स, मेरे पास बहुत सारी किताबें हैं। अफ्रेड ऑफ, स्केर्ड ऑफ, से खौफज़दा। वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ हिम, हम उससे खौफज़दा नहीं हैं। आफ्टर ऑल, एनी वे, बहरहाल। वी शुड हेल्प हर, हमें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए। आफ्टर ऑल, बहरहाल, शी इज़ आवर फ्रेंड, वो हमारी दोस्त है। अगेन एंड अगेन, रिपीटेडली, बार बार। आई टेल यू अगेन एंड अगेन नॉट टू वेस्ट योर टाइम। ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, सडनली, यकायक यानी अचानक। शी फेंटेड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, वो अचानक बेहोश हो गई। अपार्ट फ्राम, इन एडिशन टू, मज़ीद बरहाँ। अपार्ट फ्राम माई कज़न, ही इज़ माई क्लोज फ्रेंड। एज अ रिज़ल्ट, in the consequence, natijatan, as a result for her illness, she lost her job. As long as, provided that, जब तक के, you cannot sleep as long as your work is incomplete. As soon as, immediately, जैसे ही, as soon as he came home, he had a bath. At first, in the beginning, आगाज़ में, at first I could not understand him. At all cost, at any expense, हर कीमत पर। I want to buy this laptop at all costs. At last, finally, आखिरकार। At last, he passed the exam after 3 attempts. At once, immediately, फ़ौरन। Take your time, don't decide at once. Bed of roses, an easy thing, place, फूलों की सेज। Life is not a bed of roses. Belong to, be the owner of, मलकियत होना। This pen belongs to me. Bit by bit, gradually, रफ्ता रफ्ता। She recovered from the disease bit by bit. Black sheep, bad peoples, गंदे लोग। Smugglers are the black sheep of society. Break the ice, start talking, गुफ्तगू शुरू करना। Strangers feel difficulty in breaking the ice. Bring to trail, put to on trail, मुकदमा चलाना। द क्रिमिनल्स विल बी बॉट टू ट्रेल। ब्रिंग अप, राइज चिल्ड्रन, परवरिश करना। पेरेंट्स हैव डिफ़िकल्टीज़ इन ब्रिंगिंग अप चिल्ड्रन। बाय बाय बाय, स्लोली, रफ्ता रफ्ता। ही बिकेम अ हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट बाय एंड बाय। बाय फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स, इरेगुलरली, बेकायदगी से। स्टूडेंट्स शुड नॉट स्टडी बाय फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स। कॉल ऑन, विज़िट, मुलाकात करना। माई अंकल कॉल्ड ऑन मी येस्टरडे। केयर फॉर, लव, मोहब्बत करना। ही डज़ नॉट केयर फॉर मी। कट डाउन, रिड्यूस, कम करना। वी शुड कट डाउन आवर एक्सपेंसेस। डे एंड नाइट, अराउंड द क्लॉक, हर वक्त 24 घंटे। दिस पेट्रोल पम्प इज़ ओपन डे एंड नाइट। डे बाई डे, एज ईच डे पासिस, दिन ब दिन। ही इज़ गेटिंग फैटर डे बाई डे। गो अवे विद, स्टॉप, ख़त्म करना। वी शुड डू अवे विद बैड हैबिट्स। ईगर फॉर, कीन ऑन, चाहना। ही इज़ ईगर फॉर लर्निंग इंग्लिश। फार एंड वाइड, एवरीवेयर, हर जगह। इंग्लिश इज़ स्पोकन फार एंड वाइड। फाउंड ऑफ, लव, पसंद करना। ही इज़ फाउंड ऑफ स्वीट डिशेज़। गेट इन टू, एंटर अ कार, एक्सेट्रा, सवार होना। He got into a taxi at the airport. Get on, be friendly, दोस्ती करना। She gets on with everybody so she has many friends. Get over, overcome the difficulty, मुश्किल पर काबू पाना। It is difficult to get over so many problems at once. Get rid of, free from, छुटकारा पाना। We should get rid of bad habits. Get into trouble, be in difficulty, मुश्किल में पड़ जाना। If you make bad friends, you will get into trouble. Get through, pass a test, etc. कामयाब होना। My friend gets through all the exam easily. Give in, surrender, हथियार डालना। We will fight with the enemy and never give in. give up, stop something bad, ख़त्म करना. He has given up fighting with peoples. Go about, walk, चलना. We should go about daily for our good health. Go on, continue, जारी रखना. Go on working hard. Good at, skilled in something, माहिर होना. He is good at driving. Hand in hand, holding hands, हाथ पकड़े हुए. They always walk hand in hand. Heart and soul with full devotion, दिल लगाकर. They work with their heart and soul. Laugh at, make fun of, मजाक उड़ाना. We should not laugh at people. Lay down one's life, sacrifice one's life, कुर्बानी देना. Brave soul lay down their lives for their country's defense. Letters of gold, in golden letters, सुनहरे लफ्ज़ों में. Great people's name are written in letters of gold. Little by little, gradually, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. You will learn French little by little. Look at, have a look, नज़र डालना. Look at his dress, it's so dirty. Look after, take care of, देखभाल करना. Look after my parents happily. Look down, hate, नफ़रत करना. We should not look down on the poor. Look back, review the past, माजी का जायज़ा लेना. Looking back on the past, I see now my mistakes. Look for, search, तलाश करना. She is looking for her glasses. Look into, investigate, तफ्तीश करना. They are looking into the matter. Look through, avoid, बचना. He is looking through me these days. Look up to, look for help, मदद के लिए आसरा करना. The poor look up to their rich relatives. Make the most of, take full advantage of, भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाना. I made the most of my vacations by finished all the pending work. Made of, prepared from, तैयार करना. Sweets are made of milk and sugar. Make out, understand, समझना. I cannot make out what you are talking about. Mix with, have friendship, दोस्ती रखना. Never mix with bad peoples. Pay attention to, concentrate on, तवज्जो देना. Pay attention to your studies. Play a role, play a part, किसी काम में हिस्सा लेना. अल्लामा इकबाल played a great role in making Pakistan. Play with, to play, खेलना. Girls play with dolls. Point at, raise fingers on, उंगली उठाकर इशारा करना. It is a bad to point at peoples. Put an end to, stop, ख़त्म करना. We should put an end to violence. Put into operation, be functional, काम शुरू करना. The new plan has been put into operation. Put on, wear, पहनना. We put on new clothes on Eid day. Put out, switch off, बंद करना. Put out lights before sleeping. A red letter day, a day of rejoicing, खुशी मनाने का दिन. It is a red letter day from as I have completed my computer course. Point out, mention, हवाला देना. He pointed out my mistakes. Rest of, remaining, बकाया. Except Imran, the rest of the students are present. Turn on, switch on, light जलाना. Turn on the lights. Take part, participate, हिस्सा लेना. Good students also take part in sports besides studies. Take care of, look after, देखभाल करना. Take care of the baby. Turn over a new leaf, start again for betterment, बेहतरी के लिए आगाज़ करना. He turned over a new leaf after his failure. Set up, establish, कायम करना. We will set up a small library at our home. Take off, remove clothes, etc. उतारना. Take off your shoes. With open arms, wholeheartedly, खुले दिल से. We always receive our guests with open arms. With flying colors, impressive success, अच्छी कामयाबी. He passed his exams with flying colors. Nothing but, only, सिर्फ. She is doing nothing but wasting her time. Wind up, finish a business, speech, ख़त्म करना. They are winding up their business in Karachi. A narrow escape, avoid a certain accident. Baal baal bachna, we had a narrow escape yesterday. See eye to eye, agree. Ittifaq karna, we always see eye to eye on everything. From hand to mouth, live with difficulty. मुश्किल से गुजारा करना. They are very poor and live from hand to mouth. Once again, one more time, एक दफ़ा फिर. I once again remind you to complete his work at once. Grow up, become adult. बालिग होना. Girls grow up very fast. In place of, instead of. के बजाय. Who is playing in place of the injured player? In front of, ahead of. के सामने. Look in front of you while driving. Year after year, as years passed, साल ब साल, our country is facing energy crisis year after year. Take after, look like, मुशाबिहत होना. She takes after her mother, nobody can find any difference. Go up, increase, बढ़ना. Prices are going up very fast. Go off, explode, फटना. A bomb went off at the railway station. Run out of, have no more left. ख़त्म होना, we have run out of petrol. Get away, leave, escape. बच जाना, he got away without a fine. Break out, start of a war. Disease, शुरू होना, a war has broken out between the two countries. Hold on, wait on the phone. इंतज़ार करना, please hold on, he is just coming. Keep on, continue. जारी रखना, keep on working hard. Step up, increase. बढ़ाना, they are stepping up their production. Take out, remove, extract. निकालना, the doctor will take out his tooth. Put off, postpone. मुलतवी करना, our exam has been put off. Fill in, up, complete. भरना, fill in up the form. Find out, discover. दरियाफ्त करना, I have find out my keys. Account for, give a reason for. वजह बताना, can you account of your absence? Blow out, extinguish. बुझाना, फूंक मारना. Blow out the candle. Go through, suffer, endure. गुजरना, he is going through a hard time. Look forward to, expect with pleasure. इंतज़ार करना, I am looking forward to meeting you. To shed the last drop of blood, खून का आखिरी कतरा. I will shed the last drop of my blood for my country. Smile at, look at someone and smile. किसी को देखकर मुस्कुराना. Rashid was smiling at me. All in all, on the whole. मजमूई तौर पर, all in all, it's been a good year. Side by side, together. शाना बशाना, the two institutions worked side by side in complete harmony. Break up, disintegrate, टूट जाना. The grey clouds had begun to break up. तो यहाँ हमारे ये 100 से अबव मेरे जो हैं इडियम्स थे एंड फ्रेसेस थे जो मैंने आपको मीनिंग विद ट्रांसलेशन और उसके बाद जो है इसमें सेंटेंसेस समझाएँ. उम्मीद है कि आपको ये समझ आए होंगे.